Alright mga true friend, dito nga tayo ngayon sa Lavrov Motorbike. So dito check natin yung laman ng shop nila. At dito nga meron na tayo ditong Jabber Intercom. So tara, alamin pa natin kung anong meron dito. Side na to guys, check natin kung ano ang laman. Ayan, meron sila ritong Vespa Justin Bieber collaboration. So ayan guys, sa mga naghahanap ng Vespa Justin Bieber collaboration, meron dito yan available. Dalawa. Tapos may classic bed din sila rito ng Vespa. Duke 390. Tapos eto, hindi ko alam kung anong motor to, pero para siyang Suzuki ata to Kawasaki. Eto naman yung Goldwing. Yun, may Goldwing din dito. May mga display din sila rito. Ito. So this is for sale or for rent? For sale. This is Lambretta J125. Ito, Vespa. This is for sale to guys Ayan yung tsura niya Tapos may kasama na rin siyang bag. Ayan leather. 150,000 million rupias. Yun. How about this one, sir?
75 million.
Italjet 155cc. The price is 200 million rupias. Okay, so yun yung mga pricing nila dito. Ito naman ay Tri-City Yamaha. So this is a second hand. Okay, how much for this one? 75 million rupias. And then ito, meron din sila ritong Ducati Monster. For how much, sir? 250 million rupias. Okay, and yung mga available na motorsiklo dito para sa mga naghahanap sa atin. Okay, dito naman tayo sa may side na to guys. Ayan, may mga gears din sila rito. And then ito, may kapote. May mga accessories din sila rito. At syempre, andito nga ang Jabber. Ayan, so available dito ang Jabber Boss. Ayan yung packaging niya. Talagang napaka-premium, all black. At ito pa mga true friend ito yung pinakamaganda dito. Dahil meron nga itong legalities na ganito. Ayan, double check nyo yan guys. Kasi hindi sila nakakapagbenta from Philippines or ibang bansa papunta dito nang walang ganitong permit or legalities natin. Okay? So pag bibili kayo guys, hanapin nyo itong ang sticker na to. So ito yung nagbibigay ng legalities na magkaroon ng Jabber Boss dito sa Indonesia. Ang price niya to is 2,250,000 rupias for this Jabber Boss na pwedeng i-connect sa 16 riders natin. And then ayan, marami pang mga accessories dito. If you were here at the Indonesia Bali, you can visit this booth, Lavrov. Alright?
My name is Rona Tawani. You can search my IG, Rona Alexander Tawani. I'm from Indonesia. Before, I used the Kado. Maybe you all know.
Yes, sir.
Kado.
Yes, sir.
Why I migrate from the Kado and then I using Jabber? Number one is price. To me, Kado is overpriced. Number two, I need because I low in technology though.
Okay.
So I very low in technology. I cannot.
Yeah.
I need the simple thing, and then I found in a Jabber why? Because in a Jabber, guys, if you want to connect mesh with all your buddies, all your friends, just press one button. Make sure the channel is the same one with you. Done already. No need to step no need to make the master rider and then no need the software, the apps
Yeah.
So we can do when our phone is dying. We don't need the phone. Just contact to Jabber Indonesia and then they will talk about the MOQ or thing if you want to be a dealer. You can go to the Lavrov Motorbike DK2 and then you can contact Mr. Budi because Budi is our main distributor in Bali. Yeah. So you can use the Jabber is for the long time, not very short time. Why I say short time? Because we using motorbike from I am young until now more than 30 years. So if other brand maybe I can only depend on the warranty 2 or 3 years.
Yes.
But in the Jabber maybe I can use for 5 to 10 years.
Yes.
It's my opinion. To me, maybe you can use the Jabber If you're doing the small group, only one couple, you can use the Duo. If you are small group, only 4 person, you can use the G4 Plus. And then if you are a big group, bro, but my group is 100 plus don't worry, because Jabber got the 10 channel and then the one channel is 16 riders. So you just manage, you guys channel 1, you guys channel 2, you guys channel 3, and then just split and then all done. Don't forget to use your helmet, don't forget to use the Jabber for the intercom, and then save right.
So ayun nga guys, dito nga yan sa Lamb Room. I-waste nyo lang yan kapag kayo ay nandito sa may Indonesia. Alright, so mga true friend, ngayon dito naman tayo ngayon sa Moto Cafe 69. So check naman natin kung anong meron dito. Dito pa rin yan sa Indonesia, Bali. Tara! So ayun nga guys, dito nga tayo ngayon sa DK2 Moto Shop at nandito si Ayu. So siya yung magsasabi kung saan yung location natin and kung magkano yung price ng Jabber Boss dito. Okay, Ma'am Ayu, please invite them.
Oke, jadi untuk kalian yang ingin membeli intercom Jabber Boss, silahkan datang ke DK2 Motoshop di Bali, Indonesia. Jadi untuk harganya itu 2,2 juta. Ini kualitasnya sangat bagus, saya suka. Ini suaranya itu jernih, bagus, dan cocok untuk kalian yang ingin membawa motor dan menggunakan intercom. Ini cocok untuk kalian.
Ano sinasabi niya, Tol? Kasi hindi ko masyadong nag-gets.
Maganda daw yung Jabber Motocom.
Ang haba nun, Tol, Ang haba nun sinabi niya.
Yun na yun.
Ayun na yun.
Mahaba talaga sila magsalita.
Okay. So, how much the price for this
The
one?
price is 2,2 juta. Itu bahasa Indonesianya.
Ayun.
Ayo.
So, alam niyo na kung magkano, guys, ha? So, available nga yan dito sa DK2 Motoshop, Bali, Indonesia.
Wait. Ano sabi niya?
Magkano nga ulit yung price? How much?
Tahu 2,2 juta. You know?
Ang sabi niya, yung Jabber Intercom daw, talagang mabenta daw dito. Talagang lahat, halos ng motorcycle rider dito, ito yung ginagamit kasi daw napakaganda ng performance. Tapos yung sa sounds daw, yung sounds daw nito is talagang quality. At the same time, matagal malobat at mabilis yung connectivity sa ibang intercom user. At the same time daw, ang Jabber Motocom is ngayon ay leading brand na dito ngayon sa Indonesia. So karamihan sa mga riders talaga is Jabber user dito sa Indonesia.
Ang ikli lang na sinabi niya kanina, ba't yun? Ang haba naman sa'yo.
Baliktad kasi dito. Pag maiksi yung sinasabi nila, mahaba ibig sabihin mo.
Okay. So, yun. Maraming salamat, Miss Ayu. Thank you very much.
Thank
Welcome back to
you.
at Bali, Indonesia. Alright.
At dito nga sa DK2 Motoshop ay may pinarerentahan din silang mga 4 wheels, pati na rin mga motorsiklo at helmet na may kasama ng Jabber Intercom. Kaya magagamit nyo nga ito sa inyong mga biyahe kapag kayo ay dumayo dito. At para nga hindi na kayo mahirapan na maghanap ng mga 4 rentals na mga sasakyan at helmet na merong intercoms, ay pumunta na kayo dito sa DK2 Motoshop.
My name is Budi. I'm from Jakarta and moved to Bali. I'm business for the Jabber master dealer in Bali. I call my friend, the name is Dodi. I asked him, my business, another business already run and stable. Then I moved to Bali. Then I asked him how to earn another business, to earn money again. Then Dodi said, yeah, I have a product. The name is Jabber. Okay, let's see. Let I see. Then I'm not contact Dodi for 1 or 2 weeks. After that, I contact him again. I said, okay, Dodi, give me the sample. I tried, then it's okay, yeah. Then I said to Dodi, okay, let's go. Let's redo it in Bali now. So far, so good, yeah. Because the price is cheap and the function is same with the expensive one, and the sound is clear. No have problem. If you want to buy Jabber Motocom, you can come to DK2 in Bali. DK2 Motoshop in Bali. Then you can search in Google or Google Map. Then you can find Jabber in DK2.
So, are you ready?
Yes,
Alright. Night ride or day ride?
day ride.
Soft drinks or beer?
Soft drinks.
Coffee or juice?
Coffee.
Rice or bread?
Rice.
Scooter or underbone?
Underbone.
Text or call?
Call.
Local or foreign?
Local.
You're thinking.
Local.
Lights on, lights off.
Lights off.
Alright, last question. Sex or chocolates?